So yesterday, someone asked me if it's possible for someone to make 1 million in a month as a content creator. What's up, friends? I'm Solomon Chis from Solo Communications. I'm a digital marketer, content creator, affiliate marketer, social media manager, Facebook ads expert, and web designer. If you like this type of content, you're interested in knowing different ways you can make money online, content creation, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, web design, blogging, anything that has to do with making money online, then this channel is the best place for you. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever Solomon Chis from Solo Communications drops a content like this. Let's go there. Let me show you. Yesterday, someone asked me if it's possible for someone to make 1 million in a month as a content creator. So I want you guys to join me. Let's calculate how much I've been able to make from November and December as a content creator. So let's see what it has for me. So let's start from this one. This is December 8th. So it says, I'm just going to the paragraph where they talked about it. So your TikTok profile, Solomon Chis, has left us utterly captivated, boasting a unique community of more than 2,000 followers. Your content is not just original, it's a beacon. Let's leave this part. So our offer includes a payment of $1,000 for featuring our product in your content. That's where I want you to hear. But that's just the beginning. Now, these are other things that comes with it. We are not just looking for a brief collaboration. We envision a long-term partnership where both sides flourish. Our goal is to adapt to your specific needs and provide unwavering support throughout our collaboration. This is $1,000. So let's proceed. This one is 29 November. We do love to explore a paid collaboration with you. We believe that you do be perfect fit for the brand, and we are excited to send you the casting form and answer any question. Now this is it. The best part, this collaboration is for UGC only. UGC means user generated content only, which means there is no need to post on your channels. We are simply looking to work with you to create some amazing content and showcase the brand. That's all, just to create content for them. Now this is where I asked them about the payment. So I asked them, please, we would like to know your budget for the UGC and how many you want. Thanks. Now they now said, great to hear from you. So the exact deliverable and budget for this would be one vertical video, just one video, and they are going to pay $150 through PayPal. Are you getting me? This is another one. So let's proceed again. This is another one. So this is Loretta. I said, hi, I represent a mobile app marketing agency. Okay, so this is what they want. We really liked your channel and presentation style. We would be very happy if you would do a review of our apps. Review about our products are going viral in many countries and gaining millions of views on TikTok and Instagram. There are such brands and blah 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 blah. We can send you payment via PayPal, USDT, wire transfer, Payoneer, etc. Please let me know your prices and terms of cooperation. Are you getting me now? So that is it. This is just few of them. I can go on and on and on to show you more and more between November and December. I didn't actually mention the exact amount that was made or the jobs I did, the ones I accepted and the ones I did not accept. I just want you to know and see the evidence that there are possibilities of making real big money from content creation. Now, making money as a content creator can come in different ways. This one is just one source of income as a content creator. We've not talked about the affiliate marketing part of it, that I sell other people's products on my platform. We've not talked about me selling my own products to my followers. Now, the opportunity that comes with content creation, no be here. But a lot of you do not understand. Some of you, when you see Brother Shaggy them and the rest of them buying big things and living big life on social media, you join the foolish people that always say, and you get another thing with them they do. Now, this small skit where they do, they give them this money. Guy, now that skit, they give them that money. Do you know how much they charge to advertise a product for a brand on their platform? Do you know how much they charge? So let's say they charge just 500,000 naira, and in a month they get 10 of it. Is that not 5 million naira? That's 5 million naira. And most of them don't even charge 500,000. 500 is too small. Upcoming artists can meet them for them to make just few seconds video with their song. They charge a whole lot of money for that. There are lots of opportunities to make money as a content creator. In short, you make money while sleeping if you're able to grow your account or your page or social media followings as a content creator. What the literal meaning is that you have been able to gather customers for people. So people pay you to take their product and show to the people you have gathered, to your market. That's what they pay you for. It doesn't concern you if they buy or they don't buy. And many other ways you can strategically make money as a content creator. So this is it. I am a content marketing expert. I'm a content strategist. I can help you, teach you how to become a profitable content creator, how to grow your account and create viral content. We have this secret. We know how to manipulate the algorithm. We know how to give the social media platform what it wants so that we get what we want from it. That is what I do. I'm an expert in it. Now, if you're interested in learning the proper way to do content creation in 2024 so you can help your life in this dying economy, then click on the link on my bio and meet me on Telegram so we can get started immediately. And do not forget to follow me for more tips like this. I don't talk and follow me for more tips like this and share this video. Please, I don't talk to people who are not my followers. If you must talk to me, make sure you are following me. I'm Solomon Chase from Sulu Communications. I sign out.